quick up to the neutral zone. Gets it over to the red, gets it deep. Everyone contributes to getting it deep. 1, 2, 3 guys getting it deep. Now the puck's deep. Line changes can be made here. Look how slow Bellingham is breaking it out. If we get a guy in there quick, 1-4 checker, we can keep him down low. Good support, all three forwards supporting each other down low, getting it in deep. There's their third guy high. He rotates. Look at this guy rotates. He sees the rotation. He keeps it in. He gets it in. This guy takes it to the middle and takes a shot on that in.